So why is an intelligent booking system critical? The easier the system is to use, the easier the adoption. So having a system that has recommendations based on my own personal interactions makes life easier to pick the space that I know that I'm going to want to use. A solution that can support real life human behavior, so automatically check me in and automatically release my space. By freeing up our new space, as the office becomes more fluid and as we have more busier days, and maybe where people are booking in smaller segments of time, you want to be able to free up that space so others can use that as they're running through on a footfall and being able to pick some space when it's available. We can see by the future of what's going to happen if you look at hybrid working based on previous behaviours. It wasn't uncommon, for example, to have the Friday factor. In a number of organisations, Fridays were typically a quieter place to be, not as busy and frequently in the office. However, when you think of how people coming back on a hybrid working environment and coming into the office 2, maybe 3 days a week, it may be that Mondays and Fridays become very quiet, but the middle of the week becomes incredibly busy. Being able to understand that and being able to see the behaviours and see how people are interacting with the office will help to be able to plan better and also enable you to be able to ensure people can have the relevant space at the right time. With space occupancy and utilisation technology, we use different sensors for different types of spaces. For example, desks and focus rooms or smaller meeting rooms, but also larger meeting rooms or open plan space to understand the traffic and footfall of those areas. This doesn't identify anyone individually, but will pull that data through to understand how people are interacting with the space. You can start to know what type of collaboration space is the most important, or what meeting rooms do you need more of in the future. All of this data can then be presented and drilled down through to you so you can easily look and navigate through to understand how your office is being utilised.